Hi guys, this is Arshil Gosavi, and today's our topic is what is an SQL. So in our earlier videos, we can explain about our programming language, the Java. Now we're having an new topic that is SQL. So basically, what is an SQL? SQL it nothing but an structural. The full form of SQL is nothing but the structural query language. This is a language for a database, we can say. What the use of that SQL language in relational database management system, we're having with the help of SQL language. We can insert data, we can delete that data, we can update the data inside that database management system. The data were present already in that system. So in SQL or in the database management system, there are a table format stored. Table format data is stored. So it contains rows and column sections. So according to that, if we use that SQL language for extracting or detecting or can delete update the data, so through the some selected or some various types of keys are present already present in our SQL language. So from that keys we can update the rows, delete the rows, can update the columns, we can delete the columns. So these types of this type of work we can done with the SQL on the database management system. So basically, the SQL is a structural query language that not relate with our programming. We can say that this is an advantage of our database management language that not have written any code, or we does not contain we does not need to that written any code and execute. Then will given the output as we want. In database management system, this is totally irrelatable with our programming codes or our programming queries, and this is totally different than that. So if we compare it to that, so SQL is easy for understanding and easy for implementation also. So basically the SQL having the types that having first type is data definition language. Second one is in our data query language, data control language. Third one is in our data manipulation. Fourth one is in data query, yes, data query language. And last one is a transaction control language. So these are the types of our SQL. Basically we can now see one by one in short these types. So what is DDL? DDL is nothing but an data definition language. In that some queries are present. That queries are nothing but create. We can create a new table with that create query. We can drop. Second one is drop. We can drop the table from that database with the help of that query. Also third one query is present. There are types of queries, but I know that three queries, and we'll discuss in short. So because of we only taken three queries. So third one is an alter. With the alter query we can alter the table, or we can alter the data from database management. So this is nothing but our DDL, that is data definition language. So data control. In data control there are queries that insert, delete and update queries. In that name, that queries are confirming you that we can insert, means we can insert any data and new data in our row or column. We can update the data our row or column in our management system. We can delete the data also. So this is nothing but data control language. Data manipulation means Manipulation means it is an response or a give and take and response. If we take if we manipulate, if we concern with the manipulation, then we can understand that it is relatable queries are present there. So there is a grant and revoke query. Grant means the user provide the access where we where you having or where user having to know given or to receive the data from where the for that grant query is present there. And next one is and revoke is nothing but if that query is not found, then that revoke that query and sends to that please take and the permission from user and corrected permission for user. So this is a data manipulation language. So this is our types of our language. Thank you.